Good morning, friends, and I hope you are having a terrific Tuesday this week. So today we are going to review our short A sound. We're going to do some structural analysis. Doesn't that sound pretty fancy? So we'll talk about what that means when we get there. And we're going to talk about our spelling words again, and we're going to talk about the app, the at, and the an family. And then we're going to review our 4 sight words that we learned this week. So we're going to head on over to our sound spelling cards so that we can review the short A sound. Okay, friends, so here's our A sound spelling card. And remember, A says ah, like an apple or at or animal. And so remember, A is not just at the beginning of the words. It's also in the middle of words, like in our spelling words this week. Like we have cat and hat, nap, man, can. So remember, it can also be in other spots in the words, not just at the beginning. So remember, anytime you hear the sound, it is spelled with an A. So we're going to do A says 3 times all together. Here we go. A says Again, A says One more time, A says Awesome job, friends. You are rocking it in phonics this week. And we're going to head on over to our letter tiles and we're going to talk about structural analysis. That sounds hard, but friends, I promise it just sounds hard. It's not too bad. So we're going to head on over to our letter tiles. Okay, friends, hold on. I'm going to make myself bigger. There we go. So structural analysis, that sounds really hard and kind of scary. Really, guys, it's just looking at the different parts of a word. So today we're going to look at the endings of action words. So we call action words verbs. So remember, verbs are something you do. So we call verbs action words. And so today we're going to talk about the S ending. And so you put the S on the end of an action word when it follows a naming part or a naming word. So that just means that you put an S on a verb when it follows a name. So for example, when you're talking about yourself, you would say, I tap my pencil. Okay, but if you're talking about me, you would say Miss Greathouse taps her pencil. So hear that S on the end. So you would change tap to taps. Okay, and so let's look at that on our screen. So tap is spelled T-A-P. So if you were talking about yourself, you would say, I tap my pencil. If you were talking about me, or maybe our friend Serenity who's in our class, you would say Serenity taps her pencil. So you would just add an S to the end. So anytime you have an action word following a name, you add an S to the end. Okay, so we're going to practice that. So I showed you how to do it with taps. And I'm going to go ahead and clear our screen. And our next word is pat. I pat the dog on the top of the head. So let's sound out pat. P, 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 ah. There's our short A sound. P, ah, t, t, t. We have our T as in turtle. So I pat the dog on top of the head. And I want you to pause this video and write this down. And then come back and play the video whenever you're ready. So now we're changing pat to pats. Like Jacoby pats his dog on the top of the head. Pats. So remember, we add that S on the end of the word. Uh-oh. Technical difficulties, friends. So we add the S to the end of the word pats. Okay? So I want you to go ahead and add an S onto your pats. Okay? And then go ahead and pause the video if you need to. And then we're going to do the next 2 words, and then we will move on to our spelling words. Okay, so our next word is wag. I wag my tail. So maybe I'm a dog, okay? And I wag my tail. So we have w, w, a, our short A sound, w, a, g, g. That's our G sound. So we are going to turn wag into wags because Brownie wags her tail. And friend, that's my dog's name. You met her on morning meeting one time. She's a whole mess, but that's okay. So you have w-a-g, wag. So go ahead and write that down and make your little arrow right here just like I have. And then I want you to pause the video and turn wag into wags. Okay? And so then once you have created it, go ahead and play the video again and you can see how we made it to see if you did it correctly. Okay, friends, so now we're turning wag into wags. So we know we're going to keep these first 3 letters the same, right? And then remember, all we have to do, guys, it's kind of like a secret. All you have to do is add an S to the end. Wags. So we changed wag, like I wag my tail, to wags because we're talking about Brownie who wags, and wags is an action word because it's something you can do, her tail. So Brownie wags her tail. Okay, friends, we have 1 word left, and it is pack. I pack for my trip. So we have p-a-k, and this word has a CK on the end. Okay, so go ahead and write this word down and then create your arrow. And then you're going to change pack to packs. Like James packs for his vacation to Hawaii. That would be awesome, friends, if we could go to Hawaii right now. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and then play whenever you're ready to see how we spell packs. Remember, we're going to keep these first 4 letters the same. And remember, even though that pack has 4 letters, it only has 3 sounds. P, A, K. And now we need to add our S at the end. P, A, K, S, packs. Okay, friends, we're going to head on over to a new activity we haven't seen before and talk about our word families and our spelling words this week. Okay, friends, so this is a new activity this week, and I wanted to go through it with you because it's something that you're going to be able to do on your own in the next few weeks on our Wonders app. So we're looking at word families today. So we have words that end in an, which is an, app, which is ap, and at, which is at. So we have to make sure we put those words where they go in our activity. And if we look at our first column right here, it says fan. So this is our an family. So we're going to find a word that rhymes with fan and has the an at the end. Fan, cat, doesn't rhyme. Fan, doesn't rhyme. Fan, not, doesn't rhyme. Fan, man, that one does rhyme. So we're going to drag those 2 together. Then we have lap. Lap. Oh, wait, friends. Miss Greyhouse messed up. Okay? So we have another word that is in the an family. And this time we're going to look for it by looking for the an at the end of a word. A-T, E-S, O-T, A-N. Here we go. Our word can. Okay, friends. So then we have the app family. Lap. Cat, nope. Does, they don't rhyme. Lap, not, don't rhyme. Lap, tap, those rhyme. So we know that goes there. Lap, hat, close, but not quite. Lap, nap, those 2 rhyme. Okay, then we have the at family. At, sat, So let's see, sat and hat, those rhyme. Sat and not, nope. Sat and does, nope. Sat and cat, yep, those rhyme. So then this last column over here says other. So those are just any other words that are left that don't belong to any of those word families. So our word does and our word not, they don't belong to any of the word families. Now let's check and see if we got them right. Yay, we got them all right. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to head over and we're going to do some sight word work. Okay, friends, so this is a new way we're going to look at our sight words, and we have 4 sight words this week. So remember, our first one is right here, and it said does. So we're going to read it 3 times all together. Here we go. Does. Again, does. One more time, does. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to spell it, and we're going to spell it D-O-E-S, does. Here we go. D-O-E-S, does. Again, D-O-E-S, does. One more time. D-O-E-S, does. Awesome job, friends. And so today, when you go back to Seesaw, you're going to practice writing it yourself. And if you look down here, we have this cool little thing where Miss Greathouse can type. So we have D-O-E-S, does. And an example is, she does not like lemons. Or she does not like olives. Miss Greathouse does not like olives. Okay, let's go to our next word. We have not. So we're going to read it 3 times. Here we go. Not. Again, not. One more time, not. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to spell it, and we're going to spell it N-O-T, not. All together 3 times. Here we go. N-O-T, not. Again, N-O-T, not. One more time. N-O-T, not. Awesome job, friends. So remember, today you're going to practice writing it on your own. And you're going to write it N-O-T, not. Okay, let's go to our next word. School. We are currently learning at home and not in school. So we are not at school. So we're going to read it 3 times all together. Here we go. School. Again, school. One more time, school. Awesome. Now we're going to spell it 3 times. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Here we go. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Again, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. One more time. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Awesome job, friends. And Miss Greathouse is going to spell it down here. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Okay, our last word, we're almost done, friends, is what. What? What are you doing? Okay, so we're going to read it 3 times. Here we go. What? Again, what? One more time, what? Awesome job, friends. So now we're going to spell it, and we're going to spell it W-H-A-T, what. Here we go 3 times all together. W-H-A-T, what. Again, W-H-A-T, what. One more time. W-H-A-T, what. Awesome job, friends. And when you go to your Seesaw assignment, you will spell it W-H-A-T-O-T, what. Okay, friends. And if we can hit our next button, look, we did an awesome job. Okay, friends, so we learned our short A sound again today, and A says ah. We learned that S goes on the end of action words if it follows a name. So I wag my tail turns to Brownie wags, with an S on the end, her tail. We looked at our at, and ap word families for today. So in our at family, we had cat, hat, and hat. And in our and family, we had man, can, and fan. In our ap family, we had nap, lap, and tap. And then we had our sight words, does, not, school, and what. And friends, you are doing an awesome job on phonics, so we're going to give ourselves a little 1-second party. Oh yeah, Okay, friends, go ahead and head on over to Seesaw and complete your assignments.